Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so the biggest question I've got all year, or the last couple of years, since I've been doing this, what is Merch by Amazon? What is it? So Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand platform. So you upload a design, the customer actually, the design goes live. Let's say you upload a design to a shirt, it goes live on the Amazon marketplace. The customer buys it, Amazon prints and ships the shirt to the customer and deals with all the customer service. So you guys can see the power in that right there. I've been on the platform. Let me give you a little background on me. I've been on the platform for about a year and 3 years total, but I've been doing it full time for a year and a half now. So I've been learning a lot and stuff like that. I have sold over 20,000 products on Merch by Amazon. I am over 75K in royalties, 70K in profit altogether now. So I know a lot about it. The best thing that I've learned on this platform is just, it's all about being creative and being different from everybody. So that right there is probably one of the most important things when you're learning about Merch by Amazon. Of course, the content policy and stuff like that. I'll show you guys I'll go on the computer right now. I'll show you guys how to understand it, where the content policy is. Learn that's one of the most important things to learn, because you cannot upload a Apple shirt, you can't upload a Coca-Cola shirt, you can't upload an Under Armour design or any type of design like that, because it's a trademark. So learn that part. I'll give you a few websites that you guys can use to see if anything is a trademark or anything like that, because if you do that, Amazon will ban your account and you don't want that to happen. I'll show you different types of illustrations that I have done, different types of designs that I have done. I'll give you a few examples on the computer. Like I said, I'm pretty well known. I've been helped out a lot of people with this platform. Just providing so much content. Have a weekly show that I've been doing for everybody to kind of just understand and grow their business to that next level. I've spoke at a few events already, about 2 events, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be speaking at a few more next year in 2019. Yeah, man, just growing and just learning everything, and it's been so much fun. It's been so much fun. So yeah, let's get into the computer and I'll kind of show you guys give you guys a better idea of what is Merch by Amazon. So let's get into the computer. Alright guys, yeah, what's going on? So we're right here in the computer. As you guys can see, this is Pretty Merch. This is the login into my Merch by Amazon account. So I'll just kind of give you guys a little background, a little bit of inspiration for you guys. One of I remember I told you I started this, I think it was in April 2017, I believe it was, I said. We'll see right here in the stats, so you guys can check it out, and I'll show you guys a little bit of everything. This is the dashboard right here. You guys can see Pretty Merch is a paid program. You guys, there's also the free one, the pro. Well, this is the pro, and then there's a free one too as well. I don't recommend starting off with this. You guys can see I have over 9,545 live designs. I am on tier 14,000. Okay, we're right here. So it's December 14th. This is like the peak season. This is the 4th quarter. A lot of the sales are coming in like crazy right now. You guys can see it's 9 a.m. 43 sales for the day, $142 in royalties. That's pretty big. Let's kind of just go over overview and show you guys. So yesterday I did 91 sales for $300 in profit. There's another sale that came in right there. You guys see that? So my all-time sales, kind of a little bit of background. You guys see that I've been in this kind of for almost 2 years now. It's been quite a journey. Over 21,000 products sold at $76,000 in royalties. It's been pretty fun. I'll show you a little bit more stats. So as you can see, how my account is, just averaging probably over 1,000 shirts sold a month. You guys can see when I started right here full time, and then I just kind of grew, as you guys can see, and it's pretty cool. In January of 2018, it kind of got more competitive. As you guys can see right here, it got a little bit more competitive. Merch by Amazon opened up and just started, like kind of just opened up the floodgates, so it was more competition. Yeah, you can see everything's going like how it should be. So yeah, let's see. This one, show you like my number one like colors. Like, so here's a little some more information too. So when you're starting, what I recommend is upload to t-shirts only, standard t-shirts only. And then I would do, from what I've seen, because right now only thing I upload to is standard t-shirts. Okay, as you guys can see, 92% of my account is from standard t-shirts. And my top color, I want to show you this, black, navy, royal blue, pink. So it allows you to upload the 5 products in purple. What I would recommend is always make sure, starting off, make sure the shirt is good on black. So very important. I think so black is, of course, like the number one color. It sells a lot. You guys can see that. Look, I have one design that sold over 800 times, and it's brought in $2,600 in royalties. So you guys see the power. If you have one design, like an evergreen design that takes off, and it's consistently making sales all year long, you can see this right here. This is pretty cool. I want you guys to understand that too, kind of get a better understanding. Just showing you guys this, so kind of gives you a little bit of inspiration to see what one design can do for you. One design just over time is just racks up royalties for you in sales, so that's pretty cool too as well. And okay, let's see. Oh yeah, so so that's another thing too. So when I start off with the shirt at cost, which is $12.87. A standard shirt is $12.87, and then once it makes a sale, I kind of raise it up to, like, depending on that niche, which is like, so like say if it's in the like the beer category, I'll kind of do some research on that shirt by like raising the price, so like anywhere between $15.99 to $16.99, and then I'll test it out too. Once I start getting sales, like a sales volume coming in, and get like a certain amount of sales, I'll raise it up to $19.99 and see what happens. With that part right there, it's all about testing. You really don't know until you start testing it. So that's what I recommend. I have a lot of people that have success with that. So what I would recommend is $12.87 with the standard shirt, and then once you make a sale, kind of just raise it up from there. So yeah. Alright, so the next one, Merch by Amazon overview. Right here in the right hand corner, when you log into your merch account, once you get approved, the resources, this right here, I would recommend going over the content policy. It's one of the most important thing that you should understand first, because you want to understand like trademarks and stuff like that. There's certain things that you have to go over and you have to understand. So understand that part first before you start designing. Very, very, very important. Okay. There's also the royalty calculations, kind of gives you information there, best practices, and so promote your merch. There's AMS, you guys can use that. I have a video that goes over that too as well if you don't have your account for that. I think you have to get approved for that too as well. But I do have a video on my YouTube channel going over that. Next, guys, I'm gonna show you. Let's show you what not to do for, like, so this is what you shouldn't do. So you guys need to understand this. So this is part of the like understanding the content policy. So with trademarks and stuff like that, if you guys see like a certain phrase, like any song, like I do not make any type of shirts that have any type of like phrases from like music or nothing like that. If I feel that it's like a trademark, I don't know, if I get like, if I have to like question myself, I do not design for it at all. So that's what I think. Yeah, so if I feel some type of way about it, I will not design for it at all. I will not do that. And you can use this website right here, the USPTO. You can actually search a phrase and see if it's trademarked or not, or even like kind of just look it up. What I recommend when you start designing, you always want to do your research, because if you get hit with like certain things on your account, they're gonna terminate you, and that's not a good thing. You know what I mean? So it's very important that you guys understand that too. So yeah, I'll show you a few designs that what not to do. You should not do this right here. It's bad. It's these people are gonna get terminated for sure. Let's go. Okay, so so right here, let me show you guys the first design. It's right here. So it's going to be, as you can see, so they got past it. You see in the title right away, and the brand they use and the dashes and stuff like that. If you guys don't know what Super Smash Bros is, it's a video game. See, there's something right here. This is what not to do. I'm not sure what this is right here exactly, but as soon as you look at it, you see dashes in it, and it just looks, I don't know, you just can get that feeling right away when you look at it. You're like, okay, Super Smash Bros. You're like, okay, wonder what that is. So what I would do, I would come over here, like you can just, like, what I mean, super, see, I would even search it, and see how it even pops up. So like something like this is a big no-no. So don't even, like, I wouldn't even, this shirt right here, whoever's making this shirt right here is going to get banned. It's not a good idea at all. And yeah, that's what not to do. So there's one example right there. So just kind of giving an idea of like what to do. Like if you see something like that, you want to just research it, search it on Google. You have Google right in front of you. I mean, you have it. You know what I mean? That's why it's there. So search it and see what happens. Like see if something pops up. Something pops up. Do not design for it at all. Do not do it. And then the next example. So Chiefs. See, again, you see that they're trying to see how they're going around it with the little dashes in the title. Another thing to do, you can, so Chiefs KC. So what you can do is, like I said, real simple. Search Google. Look, it pops up. It's a American football team. I will not design for this, and you guys see how easy I did that too as well. Look it. I searched it, and boom, and this pops up right here. So I would not design for this. You guys can see, and you can see they're using the dashes right here. So this is what not to do. Like this person is gonna get in trouble for sure. Now, I am going to show you two of my designs personally. Two of my designs personally. Very creative designs. This is what I would do if I was uploading shirts to Merch by Amazon. I know there's people out there actually killing it with text-based designs only. I'll show you a few examples. I don't have the tabs up. I do have a few of them that are doing really well, but we'll actually search for a couple. I'll show you a few of them, like basic text-based designs that you can make. You guys that you can make on your phone. I have actually have a video on that too as well. And you now with that you have to be careful because you have to check. You have to make sure that there's no no trademark infringement on that. It's very important. But text-based designs, they do really well. There's a lot of people that are actually doing pretty well with that. So that's good too. Like I'm not putting that down at all. But as I started growing with Merch by Amazon, that I noticed that I had to be different from everybody. Like I wanted to stand out. So this is kind of like the direction I started going towards. So let's check out the first design. All right. So this right here, as you can see, it's two birds shaped as a heart. So you guys can see like the creativeness in this right here. You see the detail work, like the coloring on it, just a really good design. You know what I mean? So like this design right here is like, it can be made for, this is made for like bird lovers. This would be really good for Valentine's Day. Yeah, there's so much, like it's a really good design, and this is what I would do. So yeah, kind of, you guys can see now with this design right here, it's a really good design. But of course, starting out is kind of be, if you're not artistic, I get that part, or you don't know like any of like the programs like Illustrator or anything like that. Like I said, I would recommend doing text-based designs. And I will search a few of them right here on Amazon. I mean on Amazon too as well. So let me show you my next design. And like I said, this is what I've learned as I'm growing, that designs like this do make a big difference on the Merch by Amazon platform. So it might take a little bit of an investment to like get to understand this, or even get someone to help you do this for you. I outsource all this, so because you guys know that I suck at designing, so but my ideas are there when it comes to a design, as you guys can see. All right, let's show you the next design. All right, next design, panda holding a heart balloon. And you guys right here too as well, you can see like just the detail work with the panda, you know what I mean? Panda has its hand on the ground holding a balloon. Like, this is gonna be, I like the designs. It's a cute design, you know. You guys see just the the difference, like, stands out, like it's different, it's real different. So something like this, I'm not saying it's like the best design, but it's a big step from a text-based design to like an illustration design like this, and it's really cool, real cool. Now, like I said, let me show you guys. Let's see if we can find some like text-based designs real fast. Right here, I typed in merch research. This is by Merch Informer. This is a free tool. So search and show you guys, like, let's see if we can find like a. And if this is your design, I'm sorry. But like, for example, right here, it's text-based design. But you guys see how it just took up the whole shirt. That's another thing too, guys. You want your design big, like big and bold. If you're doing text-based, you want it big and bold and take up like the whole shirt. I noticed that your conversion rate, like your sales will increase. That's a big thing too as well. So remember that, guys. Very important. Take up the whole shirt. I just want to drink wine, love my fireman, and take naps. You see that there's a little bit of, there's like a wine glasses right there, but this is a perfect example right here too as well. I'm sorry if this is your design. Here's another one right here. Of course, I'm not Tracy. I'm not sure. See, guys, if I feel like it's, I'm not sure where that came from. Like, if I don't feel comfortable with it, I won't design for it. You guys, this is a big. So I'd rather be someone's shot of tequila than everyone's cup of tea. A basic text design that's made sales. It has a BSR. I paused my game to be here. This one you see all over Merch by Amazon. So basic text designs that make sales. Yeah. So yeah, just want to kind of give you guys an understanding of everything. You guys, of course, with every single platform that I've been on, you want to understand it. You want to get to learn it, understand the designing. That's a big thing. So when it comes to any like when you're making shirt designs, you want to understand the design. I guarantee you, once you understand the design, it will help you bring more sales in for sure. But I showed you a few text-based designs that have made sales on Amazon, and then I showed you a few examples of my designs that I would upload to Merch by Amazon, and then I showed you what not to do on Merch by Amazon. So this is Merch by Amazon. You upload a design. You have a few different products you can upload to. Pop sockets, premium shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts, pullover hoodies. You can upload to those products. Customer comes on Amazon, they see it, they come over here, they would pick a color, add to cart, and they buy it. Amazon prints the shirt for you. You take a royalty from the actual sale, and they ship it to the customer. You don't deal with none of the customer service. You don't do none of that stuff. And I'm making sales right now on the video with you guys, showing you guys this. And I have sold over 21,000 products so far on Merch by Amazon. Yeah, so hopefully that helps. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. Message me on Facebook. I will have a Facebook group down below. You guys can join. That's free too as well. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.